Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, a brand new product. Now, hold up a second, before we dive in, I want you to do me a solid favor. Check out the full review I've put together for you.
Welcome to Cinemation, the AI-powered cinema video creator that lets you create long-length videos for absolutely any niche, any topic, and in any style you want. Take a look at some of the recent videos that I created using Cinemation. You can create videos with beautiful animation like this, or you can create videos that literally look like a painting or in the 3D animation style, which is so popular these days. Or you can even make videos that are featuring realistic characters and actors who actually act and talk to each other. Plus, you can also create videos in multiple formats, landscape and portrait. You can target any niche like anime, you can target education, and create videos that do not have a maximum limit of time. That's right, Cinemation lets you create videos that range from 2 minutes to 20 or even more. So let's get into Cinemation and take a look at the magic of cinema through AI. Now on the left sidebar, you can see multiple options like create video, which of course is something that you would use to create a fresh video, or you can even create characters that can be a long-term reusable characters. You can use them over and over in multiple videos. And locations, you can create a location and use it over and over in multiple videos. So you can actually create serials that feature your specific characters and locations. So you can absolutely dominate any niche you want with regularized and stable content. Let's get into create video and see what you can do. Inside there, you've got two options. The first thing, dialogue video, which lets you create interactive videos which are actor based, talking to each other, characters talking to each other, just like in cinema. Or you can even create a narrator video where you have action that appears on the screen or slides that appear on the screen, but instead of the characters interacting and talking to each other, the narrator will tell the story. And you can use this format to create educational videos that target topics like history or science or any other topic you want, and tell a story that captivates people with beautiful visuals, animation, and consistent characters. Let's get started with creating a dialogue-based video. You get three different strategies. You can create a video with AI, the AI handles everything, or you can come at the AI with your own idea and let AI create it for you, or you can create the entire video from scratch, take it slide by slide and create a masterpiece. It's totally up to you. Now in this case, let's start with create with AI and create a video from scratch. We got multiple AIs in here, GPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude, and Llama. Plus you get to target multiple languages. Right now there are 5, but there will be more, and you will be able to target multiple languages that are all over the world. Now you can also decide how many characters you want to have in your video, or just leave it at auto and let the AI design that. Next, you can choose the duration of the video that you're making. You can go all the way from 2 minutes to unlimited. That's right, it says 30, but guess what? You can just click on this and make a video as long as you want, even 60 minutes or even more than that. Now in this test, of course, we want to do 32 minutes, so we're going to get started with that. You can put in your video idea or topic if you want to, or you can just click on a button and create an idea for yourself. Let's try to do that first. Now Cinemation is generating your idea. You can use the idea you get. You can even create a new idea or rewrite the same idea, or you can just paste in your own idea. And once you're ready, click on proceed. Next, you will be asked to choose the ratio of the video that you want to create. Let's go with landscape for this one. Then you choose the AI that will write the content. You can choose the AI that will do the visuals. You can also choose the AI that will do the videos. Now usually you will have a default which works pretty well. I'm just going to go with the defaults. Click on proceed, and then you can take a look and decide what kind of style you want. I really like the 90s cartoon style. Of course, I'm a 90s boy, so yep, I'm gonna go with that. Now the AI is doing the work for you. On your topic, it's going to write the script and carry on from there. So let's get back to it. There we have it. Your script is ready. You can see the characters at the top, Tim and Jim, and you can see the locations, the back garden, and you can see the entire scenes that are a part of the video. So these are the scenes that are There you can change anything you want just by clicking on it. You can even add dialogues or add shots and change the script any way you want. So this AI done thing is absolutely adaptable. So go with the plan or just change it the way you want. And that's how movies are made. Movies are made just in this way, and we've used exactly the same algorithms to give you exactly the same results. So each scene is of course named and given a topic, and it's easy to understand what's going on. Next, Cinemation will let you create the characters and the locations that will be used in the video. As you can see, the location is already generated for you, but you can either choose it from the selection that you already have, or you can regenerate it again, or you can modify it, or you can add your own locations. Now in the characters, Cinemation doesn't pre-generate them because it knows that you will want to have a character of a certain look. So you can hit the generate character button. Of course, you can modify the prompt as you want, and the final character you can have it exactly the way you want it to look. I'm okay with this guy, so I'm going to click on save, and that is Tim. Now let's also generate Jim. Click on generate again, and we should have Jim very fast. There we have it, Jim. And finally we have Mr. Rabbit. So click on generate, and we should have Mr. Rabbit right there. There we have it. Click on save, and we have all the characters. Now click on continue, and now what's happening is Cinemation is generating the shots, the scenes, the storyboard, the plan, everything that is required to create the actual movie the way real cinema is made, and it takes a few minutes. I'll see you when it's generated. Alright, there we have it, the entire storyboard, and this is your time to inspect each of the visuals. You can see how beautiful they look, and you can actually modify them as you want. So you can see the actions. Now sometimes of course AI can make a mistake. AI technology is growing very fast, but it's not perfect. So you can see this one has 3 different characters. Now when that happens, don't be discouraged. There are multiple ways to fix this. You can either regenerate the image using AI, or you can modify it. So if you click on regenerate, in 90% of the cases, in most cases, the AI will automatically regenerate a better image next time. Check this out. Otherwise you can click on modify. Maybe we'll see if we need to use that in any other clip. So here we have it. These clips look okay to me. Now this one is a bit wanky again. There is a third guy in here, so I can regenerate, or I can click on modify, and I can say instead of the boy, remove the boy below the net, something like that. Whatever comes to your mind, click on modify. And what's going to happen is the AI will modify the image and give you a new one. If you like it, you can keep it, or you can change it again. In this case, I'm going to keep the modified image. In this one, this image is fine. So you can quickly review each shot like that. And once you're done, okay, we are done here. Okay, there's one more scene left. We'll go through it very quickly too. Perfect, perfect. Looks amazing. Next, you're gonna be generating the video. Yes, that's all the work. Now, when you generate the video, there are 2 modes. Either you can make it through a slideshow. Yes, you can create a video that has static images and a slideshow if you want to do it that way. So all you need to do is remove the tick from generate AI video clips, or of course you can make fully animated content where the characters move and interact and they look beautiful. So let's do that instead, and to do that, keep this checked and click on proceed. Next, it'll ask you if you want captions. In this animated video, of course, I don't want captions. I'll click on proceed again, and I don't want any background music, but you can choose background music if you want. In this video, I'm not gonna have background music. And the last step is it's animating the static images and turning them into videos based on the directions that you gave them, or based on the directions the AI generated. And this takes a few minutes, so it'll be back when it's done. And now what it's doing is it is creating the audio, transcribing the audio, and then finally it will create the video. It's just gonna take a few more seconds. It's already rendering the video, and here it goes. And there we have it. The video is ready, and you can either download it directly to your computer. So you can click on the download button and save it to any page you want, save it to any folder you want, or you can hit play and watch the video.
We catch Mr. Rabbit with a basket, a carrot, and 0 actual skills.
Exactly. He'll never suspect genius.
Check out the video, guys.
Why am I always the test subject?
Here is another that I made earlier.
Mama, where is my daddy?
It's in a different animation style.
Oh, my sweet girl. Your daddy was very brave. He fought in a great war to protect people. And when his work was done, he became a star in the sky.
Here is one in 3D animation style. Let's check out this one.
This is Dingo. He is my cat,
Got
my
captions on
roommate,
this one.
and living proof that confidence does not require competence. People ask me, John, why do you call Dingo
Do you see
a
the lip
Turk?
sync is also pretty
Great
good.
question. I have prepared evidence.
And I created this one in the slideshow style that I told you about earlier. So you have slides but interactive action. Let's check this out.
Look up, Leo. For thousands of years, humanity stared at that glowing silver orb in the night sky and wondered. The moon. It was the ultimate untouchable mystery, a beacon of myths and legends.
So this was another style of video that I created. Then there was this one. It was about Nikola Tesla, of course, my favorite inventor. And in this one, we've got
Nikola
a narration video
Tesla entered the
with painting
world in
style.
1856 in a village called Smiljan as thunder rolled across the sky. Legend says he was born during a lightning storm.
Okay, let's create one of those. Let's create a narration video. I've already shown you the dialogue video with characters interacting. Next, let's make a narration video, and again we're gonna choose create with AI, and we're gonna use the same basic settings. You can change, of course, anything you want. And let's go for custom, and let's call this educational video. So yes, you can have your own custom genres, and Cinemation will come up with its own idea for educational video. Of course, I could have been more fine-tuned, and I could have said something like a historical video about the Romans, whatever you want, and Cinemation would have given you an idea for that. Now in this case, it's about whatever. So we're gonna change the idea. How about the Wright brothers struggle and their first flight? I think that's a pretty good topic for a video. Let's go for that. Click on proceed, and then again you can decide the ratio. Let's try portrait videos this time, and for images let's go for Grok AI. I think that's the best one though. And for animation we're going to use the same Dance. It's pretty good balance of action and power. And this time the style, let's go for Pixar style. Okay, that I don't know if that's suitable. Okay, let's go for steampunk. It's Wright brothers. And you can choose the voice that you want to use for the video. Let's go for samples.
Hi, I'm Ballad. This is Echo.
Okay, I'll use Echo for this one. By the way, you can have your custom voices. You can make your custom voices by just describing how you want to sound, and you can even choose existing voices that you've created, right? So it just lets you create any kind of voice that you want. So this is using a technology that we have integrated, but in this we've got ready-made samples, and this is from these are very standard high quality voices. We can use those two. Click on next, and it's gonna write the script just as the last time. You got the script here. Again, you can change whatever you want, but we've seen the process, so I'm gonna let it be working with the defaults. Alright, we are back on the characters and the location screen, and you can see the locations, very beautiful steampunk backgrounds. Let's make the characters. The Wilbur Bright guy. Click on generate character. There you have it, Wilbur Bright. He looks young. And we have the second Wright brother, Orville Wright. So click on generate character, and it's generated. Now remember this, you can change things the way you want. You can even use different AIs. We're using Flux right now, but if you wanted to use Grok, for example, just could have done that with just a click. And I'm in my test now, I'm using Grok, so let's just wait for it. You got Orville as per Grok. Go back to Flux, or try it as many times as you want, change anything you want. Click on save once you're ready, and you have got the characters and the locations. Next, click on continue, and just like last time, and just like in the dialogue video, Cinemation is going to prepare the storyboard. Alright, so the image generation took a few seconds, and we have it. All the images are done. You can see the Wright brothers are standing together, looking at the plans. So all the images are clear to you, and if you want, you can change things. Of course, you can. And again, this is a demo. I don't want to spend a lot of time changing, but doing a quick scan is always advisable. Check this out. I think the visuals are fantastic. All right, let's go for it. Let's go and create this little video, and this time let's go for captions. with phrase highlight, and I'll leave it as is. It's displayed over here. There is a preview. Click on proceed, and I want background music this time, not this one. What about this one? Okay, this is it. Proceed. And now you're getting the voiceover done. So the AI will take a little time to create the voiceover and just put everything together. Let's get back in a few seconds. And there we have it. The video is already rendering. I think in just a couple of minutes, maybe 10-20 seconds, we'll have the final video. So let's just wait for it. All right, so the video is generated. Let's play it.
Before they changed history, the Wright brothers were not famous inventors. They were two bicycle makers in Dayton, Ohio, working long hours in a cramped shop filled with chains, spokes, and the smell of oil and wood. Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright were practical men, but their minds were fixed on something far beyond the ground beneath their feet. Around them, many people believed human flight was still a idea began to take shape, a machine that to solve that problem they needed most.
So check this out.
When
It's
they
a
could-
regular.
Every angle reflected lessons
slideshow.
earned through advance through discipline, observation.
That looks beautiful with consistent characters, so everything stays to the point, and you can make amazing educational videos using this technology. So whether you want to make interactive dialogue based videos, animations, realistic actor videos, 3D animation videos, you want to make stories about characters interacting and telling a story, or you want to make narration videos for any kind of purpose, whether it's educational, whether it's entertainment, you can create it inside of Cinemation. And remember, you can create as long a video as you want. This is breakthrough technology, and Cinemation brings it first to you. And if you get Cinemation, I'm looking forward. This is breakthrough technology, and Cinemation brings it to you first. So get Cinemation and get your director's seat.